Yo! Me and the boo-boo just parked right now. We're here at the parking lot and we're going to be looking for the Saved by the Bell pop-up that comes with dinner. You see the vintage fits, baby? Ooh! Vintage Versace. Bootleg Chanel. She copped the challenge courts. You know your boy got the slides on. I'm sorry, I gotta always stay comfy. Got the vintage Nike jacket on though. Chanel hat. Look at the logo though. Yo. Alright guys, we're in the plaza now. And we're looking for Saved by the Max. Alright, the security guard was nice enough to help us out. He obviously stopped us because he saw the fit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, got the lockers. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Me and the boo-boo just took a boomerang of this. Look at me and the boo-boo's boomerang. I had to pull out the camera for this. Look at that mural though. Kobe on Dwight Howard? Get banged out. Yo, it's good. Warming up the whip right now. About to go head out to the Thrift. I know it's a little shadowy right now. Can't really see me, but warming up the whip, about to go head out, and then yeah, I'm gonna hit a whole bunch of thrifts. I'm gonna hit a lot of Goodwills. I haven't done that in a while, so I'm gonna see what I can do. Let's see if the Goodwills come through. This is Trip to the Thrift, numero 74, I think. 73 or 74. But yeah, let's go thrift. Let's get it. We got these Nike ACG boots in the blue leather, and then they actually have these over here. Some brown and green, like forest green dunks. Found this Brunswick, I think that was bowling, Team USA satin jacket with a huge USA in the back, and it's got the stripes on the arms, or the wrists on the waist. And then another USA piece, boy. Vintage USA champion, Lonzo Mourning. Yeah. Kids vintage pro player little jacket. It's got the pro player right there, and then right here, because it is reversible, you see it on the inside. Huge NBA patch right there. Wish there was something on the back. I would have scooped. It's a little too basic. Yo, you know what that is? Supreme sweats, large, made in Canada. These are my size too. Scooping, baby. Bootleg LV hat. Asking for 25. Ooh, got these Air Forces right here. Size 12. The colorway is not that tight though. Probably gonna leave these. We got these 2006 LeBrons right here. These are extra heavy. I got this bathing ape jacket. They're asking for 100. This is probably fake. We got these vintage Nike Jordan track pants, but it only has a Nike logo. There's no Jordan logo on it. Yo, they are taxing. This one's pretty clean, but they're asking for 30. Might have to leave this. I don't know yet, we'll see. Found two Patagonia jackets. This one's whatever. I'm not really feeling that gray inner lining, but this one I'm probably gonna scoop. 15 bucks. It's just a plain Patagonia windbreaker. Probably gonna pick this one up. It's funny because I actually have this bag. I thrifted this a while ago. It's a YSL duffel. And then I actually found this right here. It's a bootleg Guess. Got a side bag. Probably gonna scoop. They're only asking for 5. Dude, look at this Mickey jacket right here. It's kids. The colors are fire. We got these 2009 Nike Blazers. This is pretty dope right here. It's a Stussy women's jacket, like a see-through one. Just found these Tommy Hilfiger kicks right here. I might pick these up for the boo-boo. It's got the Hilfiger in the back too. And so, these are 6.5 in men's, but for some reason they look pretty small. These might fit through that bobo. So I might have to pick these up here. 6 bucks. Scoop! Nothing too crazy, but a vintage Tommy jacket. I wish I had like a big patch on it. It's only got that right there. Little too plain, might have to pass on this. Got these two top line McDonnell Douglas MD-11 aircraft satin jackets. These are pretty clean, cool to see doubles. Got this color block Nautica jacket. Nautica has not been doing too well, so I'm probably gonna pass. Got this vintage Adidas windbreaker for women. Asking for 20. Dang, this is a pretty dope Fast and the Furious poster. R.I.P. Just found this right here. Wow. What the heck? They're only charging 99 cents. I wonder why. Everything looks legit. For sure, scoping. Found this vintage tee right here. Do it with skill. For sure, picking up. Found this reverse weave champion hoodie. Probably gonna pass though. It's got a huge stain right there. And it has this like weird RDH something, not champion. And then I found this champion pullover right here. I might scoop this one. It's got champion on the back. Blue and yellow. Vintage California satin jacket. The back is fire. Okay. Probably gonna pick this one up. They're asking for 8. Scoop. We got this vintage Nike tracksuit. All black. Little too beat. We got these vintage Adidas shorts, like the old school track pants, but these are shorts. I've actually never seen these before. Vintage Nike side bag, a little too plain. It's got some rips right here too. And they got this fire North Face right here. I thought it was a steep tech, but it's not. But it has this random like stitching on it. Oh hey Steve. This is clean. Got this vintage Pro Player jacket right here, reversible chargers. Bruh, her son is just in there. Vintage champion reverse weave, color block, but it's got a stain on it right here. And the C right there actually has some thread count coming off. Dang, that Gucci wallet is low key kind of fire. I might have to cop that. They're asking for 20. I'm gonna check it out. We got some kids Prestos right here, some slip-ons. You got this color block Chop Shop Lauren Golf jacket. You can see the logo right there. Size XL. We got this LA Kings starter hockey jersey. Asking for 20. Alright y'all, so before I head out today, I just want to show you what I copped. Look how good that distressing is. Vintage, huge logo, LA Lakers. Vintage Brunswick bowling jacket, made in USA. The homie already picked this up. Vintage Do It With Skill Screen Stars tee, USA. You know who that is. Scottie Pippen. Another USA jersey, number 14, Lonzo Mourning. And then this vintage California made in USA satin jacket. I messed with this heavy, so clean. Look at that huge eagle in the back. With my Pippins, the baby blue ones. Wow, how could I forget? I low-key almost forgot that I picked these up because I already wore them. But it is the Supreme big S logo sweats in a size large. The pockets on this side with the Supreme logo right there. Let that clear up. Okay, now let's go. It is super hot, but your boy actually got a spot in the shade. The one spot that has shade. Some dude just left, but we hitting a whole bunch of thrift stores today. Your boy's hyped, so skitty. Got these Dub Zeros, super beat. And they got some Prestos right here, the slip-ons. Got this North Face jacket, but it doesn't really have anything on it. We got this vintage Tomorrowland Disney crew neck, but look at the neck. Bacon. Pretty beat Air Force Ones, red and gray. Vintage Tommy Hilfiger jacket, size 6, for little kids. Oh, just hit my camera. Nice. They got these Jordan 7s right here, but they're asking for 25. If it was a bigger size, I would have scooped. Polo Sport V-neck, just got a little spill over here on the side. Yo, it's extra hot, y'all. I need to blast this AC. Your boy putting in work for you guys. We're at the next Goodwill, as you can see right there. But yeah, I don't want to get out of the car. It's so hot. Feels good in here. It's nice and cold. Let's go! You got these reverse weave champion sweats. Super thick. These are new age though. We got these Air Maxes right here in the black and gold. bootleg Chanel pants for women. And they got this vintage Lee Sport, or vintage Lee Los Angeles Leak, this crew neck, huge screen print. Probably gonna have to pick this one up. They also got this Colorado Rockies 1994, got Taz on it, and then in the back, Colorado Rockies, Taz and Bugs. Just found this bootleg Tommy sweatsuit. I'm for sure gonna pick this up. That yellow? I'm actually gonna pass on this. I didn't realize they're asking for 14 for this. It's cool, but wish the logo was a little better. Just found this vintage made in USA, size XL Stussy tee. See it right there, New York, London, Tokyo, Los Angeles. Nothing on the back. And then I found this Versace button up. You see the little emblems right there. Hold up, let that clear up. It's got that all the way down. And it fits me. Fire. Yo, so as you guys just saw, I picked up the Stussy tee and the slow down, bruh. I picked up the Stussy tee and the Versace little flannel or button up. It actually fits me, so I could rock. Man, my camera's way off, boy. But yeah, it actually fits me, so I might be able to rock that to like a fancy event where I gotta actually dress up. But right now, we're headed to another Goodwill. Slow down, bruh. We're headed to another Goodwill. Yeah, just goes to show how much like thrifting is really a hit or miss. Like today, I've hit four Goodwills, and those are the only 2 pieces that I picked up. So that just goes to show that you're not gonna find something every time, but you gotta put in the work, you gotta put in the time, and you gotta be consistent. But yeah, so when people ask me, they're like, Aaron, how do you find all that fire? Like, how do you get all that stuff? And I'm like, it's simple. Like, you just gotta be consistent, be willing to grind, to actually put in the work, to look through piece by piece. Maybe not every single piece in the thrift store, but pretty much like the good spots that you gotta look through. But yeah, it's just consistency. That's mainly it. If you want to find that fire. But yeah, we headed to the next Goodwill. Come on! Big bang, take little bang. Big bang, take little bang. Yo, we at the next one right now. That Bubba Gump? That Forrest Gump? Goodwill. Dang, look at this Louis Vuitton luggage, but look at the strap. Oh, man, I would have copped this for sure. Dang, it sucks. So sad. Bye-bye. This is a cool little Tommy jeans too. It's got it embroidered right there. Dang, I thought this was a polo side. It's like a polo racket club. Alright y'all, so these are the last 2 pickups of this trip to Thrift. The vintage made in USA Stussy tee size, I think it was a large, extra large. And then this Versace button up. Very clean, you see right there. Versace jeans, couture. The details are crazy on this. Yeah. I actually forgot to show you guys that I picked these up for the Boo Boo. I did end up scooping them and they fit her perfectly. Very cool little dad shoe for her to rock during the summer. That fire. I'm chilling in bed, editing right now. That's gonna wrap up this video. That's what I'm editing right now. Found a lot of fire in this one. I know it took a while for me to get this one out, but I don't like to put stuff out unless I got good footage for you guys. I don't want to just put out stuff for you guys to just watch. It's gotta be a banger. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to Thrift number 74. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good?